Okay, Assalamualaikum and very good day. We're going to watch this video and then we're going to discuss what are the problems. Okay, let's watch. Okay, observe carefully. Okay, right. We can assume that everyone are familiar with the system. Okay, but in this case we could see that this guy is not familiar with the system. Okay, so it has self checkout, okay, whereby you have to scan and then put items in plastic bag. Okay, so you have to scan each item, and then when you finish, you just choose the exit button and then proceed with payment. Okay, so based on this video, can we discuss what are the symptoms and what are actually the problems? Okay, thank you.